Hi friend, today we will learn how to use VStack and HStack function in Excel. So basically VStack function append data at row level and HStack append the data at column level. So basically it merge the columns. So let's see some example of VStack. VStack which is a vertical stack. VStack table array, second table array. So guys, you can see now my boss table are stacked here. These are appended. If I add any new row here, this will automatically added here. Uh, just we need to convert this table into a table. So let's see some more example of VStack. Like I want sales amount. So normally what I do, I will apply VLOOKUP here. VLOOKUP, my lookup array. Column index number is 3. Exact match. So I'm getting hash an error because this salesperson is not here in this table and I'm sitting here in this table. So normally what I do, I will apply if error and one more VLOOKUP. So if error, comma, so now you can see I have applied two VLOOKUP formula and one if error. Let's show you formula. So similar thing we can do using VStack also. Let's see an example. VLOOKUP, my lookup value. So in table we can use VStack to combine both table. So VStack table array 1 comma table array 2. So this VStack work as a table array for VLOOKUP. My column index number is 3. I want exact match. So let's see the formula. So you can see I am getting same result using VLOOKUP and VStack. So this is quite useful when we have multiple tables. So we can combine them using VStack. Now let's see some example of HStack. So here we have some data and here is another set of data for same person. So how can we merge these columns using HStack? HStack, my table array. This is first table, comma, my second table, table 2. Guys, here I have converted this data into a table. So now you can see my both tables are merged. And suppose if I am adding here any new row, then if it automatically add in this formula, let's check it. Let's take Andrew East. Let's add here email ID. So these are dummy data. So you can see this data is merged here in this table automatically. So we can add any number of data in this table and this will be merged here. So guys, this was all about VStack and HStack. Hope you have enjoyed the video. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.